take it. Hey, what's happening? Hey, what's happening? So today we're making a mac and cheese Cheeto cup. The ingredients that you need is a bell pepper. I have an orange one because it matches everything. You can use any other color. The bold and cheesy mac and cheese, cheese Cheetos, egg, a little bit of water for the egg wash, and flour. Get your peeler. Now peel it. Sometimes you'll have a hard time right in the middle of the butt crack. So what I would do, I'll go like horizontally. So this is vertically. So it's kind of hard to get. So if you go horizontally, you'll get some of it. Make sure you get the bottom as well. After now it's naked, you gotta make a hole right on top. So it makes a cup. Like a circle. Pull it out and boom, look at all the seeds. And you can cut a little bit to take out the membrane so you can fit your mac and cheese in there. Take out all the excess seeds. Shake, shake, shake. Now it's beautiful and clear. The reason why I'm putting in the food processor, so it can be really fine. I want to show you the difference between the fine crumbles in the food processor and me doing it by hand, like crunching it up in the bag. I put this one in the bag. Oops, look at that. Look how fine that is. Now this one's from the Ziploc. Oh goodness. Look how big and chunky that is. Chunker munker. Between the one in the bag and the one from the food processor. The difference is, look, you can miss these big spots and it'll mess up the bell pepper. And look at this, it's so fine. Amazing. We're going to need 3 bowls. This one has cheese Cheetos. You have egg, just need 1. And some water. Mix that baby up. Let's dip the bell pepper into the flour first. Keep dipping and turning to make sure everything's covered. If you're missing a spot, just sprinkle it in there and pat it down. Now to the egg wash. Be fast. Dip, turn, dip, turn, dip, turn, dip, and turn. And make sure you get the bottom as well by holding on top and boom. Let it drip a little bit. Now dip, make sure everything's covered and turn. Dip and turn. And make sure there's crumbs on the bottom. So when you dip it, it'll be covered. Oh my gosh, look, it's already looking so beautiful. Sprinkle some on top and pat it down. Sprinkle. Wow, look at that. I used all of it. Put it in the air fryer for 7 minutes on 375 degrees. Meanwhile, while that's air frying, boil some water for your mac and cheese. Drain out your pasta. Add 2 tablespoons to your pot. Let it melt and add 1/4 cup of milk. And your cheese seasoning that came inside your box. Mix it, mix it. Add in your pasta and mix it all together. Put your macaroni and cheese inside your bell pepper. Macaroni in the pot, that's a wet ass. Hot sauce and leftover Cheeto crumble. Shout out to the people who was on my TikTok live. Ready? Take another bite. Oh yeah, it's hitting the spot. Also because of the habanero, I had the habanero sauce with it. Oh, spicy. I love you. Let's go. Skincare routine. I don't have a skincare routine. My skin is just like this, normally, naturally. But the eyelashes and the eyeliner, I put eyeliner first and then I put the eyelashes. That's what I do. You love my bangs? Thank you, my love. I was contemplating if I should get bangs or not. I ended up getting the bangs. Not the bang-ay. The bang-ay. Yes, I made this myself and I'm gladly to share this recipe for you. My question is, should I put more hot sauce? What am I eating? I'm eating mac and cheese inside a bell pepper. I put it in the air fryer and it's bomb. You know, this was, if you were on my live yesterday, it was freaking burning my mouth. Oh, shiznit. Oh my god. I can't get enough of it. If you want to be featured on my next YouTube video, keep commenting on all the videos I make. I love you. Subscribe or comment. Subscribe or comment. Or even share it to your friend. Subscribe or comment. I love you. JORI MEZUDA.